Hey everybody! Okay, before we go any further, spoiler alert. If you grabbed the MEEDEN Creative Christmas Countdown and you want the magic of opening each day on your own, then this is your cue to stop watching. But if you're curious and love surprises as much as I do, then stay right where you are. Today I'm dressed like a Christmas tree so I can really lean into the Christmas spirit and unbox the entire MEEDEN Christmas Countdown. I was gonna say something else, but okay, let's just get started. Officially, this is called the MEEDEN Creative Christmas Countdown, Art and DIY in one box. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the name. And this thing is packed. It's packed full, it's big and it's packed full. Like to the brim. You get 24 things inside. So it's basically like a whole month of awesomeness. Or 24 days of awesomeness. And I'll be breaking up the video into little shorts so you can see, like, you know, starting December 1st, I'll just do like one little short a day. But this is the full video. And if you don't want to watch, if you don't want the surprises to be spoiled, like I said, maybe wait. Watch it, save it and watch it later. You could do that. And I do have a discount code for this one. It's for 12% off, and it's Our Gray House. I'll have that and the link to it in the description box below. All right, y'all, let's jump in and see what we got.
I'm going to talk through these really fast because there's just not a whole lot to say about each one. But I typically do like surprises, but I also don't mind spoilers. So I was going to wait and kind of just open one each day during December, but I thought, no, I really want to know what's inside. And also, this way it shows you guys what's inside as well, in case you want to get one for yourself. So under box number 1 was a travel brush, and I believe it's a size 10 quill. The only thing I did not like about it is when it's dry, the brush is dry, it was hard to put back into the cap. But I really like MEEDEN brushes, so I'm excited to try it. And then in box number 2 was this paper in this brown envelope, and it does have this like vintage button string clasp on the back there. I really like that. But the paper inside is hot pressed paper, and I don't really use hot pressed paper very much, so it'll be interesting to try it. And it's got that decorative border. Okay, in box number 3 are these oil based colored pencils. I don't have as much experience with colored pencils, so I'll be interested to see how it differs from regular colored pencils, you know. But they have a nice assortment of them, and they look really pretty. In box number 4 are these oil crayon things, and I'm not exactly sure. I've never used these, so it will be very interesting for me to kind of explore different creative art mediums and kind of expand my horizons a little bit, you know. Oh, they look cool. And then in box number 5 is a mini travel palette. I think that's awesome. I love little mini palettes anyway. I love anything mini, and so this is going to be perfect for travel. It does have like a little mixing spot too. And of course, it doesn't hold that much paint, but I mean, how much paint do you need when you're traveling, right? And it's super cute. I love it. In box number 6 were these, I believe these are acrylic markers, and I like acrylic markers, so I'm excited about those. I know that I will put those to good use if I could ever get them out of the box. Some of these were kind of stuck in the box, so I mean, but that's okay. Sometimes that happens. You know, box number 7. This is, oh, I was doing 6, 7. Okay, anyway, cringe. This had this little paper. I've purchased this before, and it comes in a 5-pack. I love MEEDEN paper. This little mini sketchbook, come on, y'all. This is day 8, by the way. Mini sketchbook is right up my alley. Totally am going to love that. And then under box number 9, or in box number 9, was this little easel pen, and it's an enamel pen. And the neat thing about that is it has a magnetic back, so it's not going to damage your clothes or anything like that. In box number 10 was this eraser, and this is really great for not messing up your paper and kind of preserving it, because some erasers will tear up your paper if you're not careful. And then in box number 11, kind of goes with the eraser, is a pencil. And this is a 4B, which is a softer lead. If I remember correctly, it's a softer lead than like a regular number 2 pencil. So there you go. That'll be good to sketch things out beforehand. Number 12, box number 12 holds an easel. I love mini easels. I love anything mini, really. So, you know, I'm going to put this one to good use as well. And then box number 13. This came in two different boxes inside the big box. And so this is from the bottom box. Anyway, it is heavy body acrylic paint. I don't really know much about soft body versus heavy body. So I need to educate myself on that as well. Okay, box number 14, MEEDEN brush. This is part of a set, and you can buy them individually, obviously, but this comes in a set, and I have the complete set. I love these brushes. And this little tube thing that it comes in, you can also use that when you're traveling to kind of keep them safe from, getting bent and stuff, the bristles. So I love that one. Box number 15 had wood slices in it, and these, I've never used their version of the wood slices, but I've used wood slices before in my crafting. I absolutely love them. So I know I'll put those to good use as well. And in box number 16, there were these little, I guess they're hairpin, paint tube hairpins. I'm not exactly sure what else you would use them for, but I think they're super cute. I don't know what I'll use them for, but, I think it's super cute. So box number 17. Oh, this is where I didn't know what went where. So I was a little confused on that. Oh, okay. Box number 17 had a candle holder, votive candle holder, and the inside was gold and it had green on that side. It was really pretty. Box number 18 is, why am I showing that again? Anyway, maybe I should take that out. Box number 18 was a tote bag. And you could paint on it. I don't know if you can use those markers that we got in the other day. Maybe we could. Okay, box number 19 was this sheet of stickers. So some of the one of the boxes was empty. It kind of got confusing there, but because not everything stayed in its proper box. But these stickers are the same design as what was on that tote bag. So it kind of gives you an idea of what you could paint the tote bag to look like. Box number 20 had a little tree clip. I guess like you could hold your journal paper down or something. That's super cute. Box number 21 had a ceramic tree. I'm actually kind of excited about this because I like painting on things like that. So I think it's going to be fun. Box number 22 had paintbrushes. Yes, can never go wrong with getting more paintbrushes. Am I right? You always need them. So that's always a good gift. Box number 23 had washi tape. Oh, we have an appearance from socks, baby socks. The washi tape, of course, will be put to good use because I love to tape off my paper. And box number 24 had a canvas. That always comes in handy. Okay, y'all, wasn't that fun? I had a blast unboxing the MEEDEN Christmas Countdown Art and DIY in one box. I think that's what it's called. I'll have the title, I'll have it right in the title. But it was packed full of fun stuff. Here is the real stuff. What I liked about it, I liked the little votive candle. I do like the markers and the pencils for sure. I know I'll use the paper, and can't go wrong with paintbrushes, right? Sketchbook. Mini palette. There are many things within the box that I will use and love for sure. There are several things that I'm super excited to try. So do I think it's worth it? Yes and no. Yes and no. It depends on how much you pay for it, because I know that I'm not going to use everything, like the little clippy things I probably won't really ever use. And so in that idea, that was not really needed in there. Also, I think they need a little chart or whatever to say oh, these are oil-based pencils. You know what I'm saying? Something like an informative little thing, so I know what each thing was really called. But would I buy it? It depends on the price. It depends on the price. I liked it. I like fun surprises like that, and I like art stuff. So if you have an art lover or a creative person on your gift list, this would be a good gift for them because there's lots of different things inside of it, and they could get really creative, right? But if it's
like, I don't know. If it's more than like 50, I don't know if I'd buy it, to be honest. I liked it a lot though. I mean, I did admit I liked it, but I just am not sure if you're going to get the bang for your buck unless you know like you're going to use a lot of the items inside. But then how would you know you're going to use a lot of the items inside if it's an advent calendar and you don't know what's inside? You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of a hard one to say, but I will have it linked below. Don't forget to use code OurGrayHouse for an additional 12% off. I mean, that's fun, right? And I'd love to see if you guys got one and what you made with your stuff. And I will be using these in upcoming videos because I am super excited about them. You know, like the washi tape, you know? I mean, can't go wrong. I don't know. Kind of, you know what I mean? Like, kind of like it, but also, I'm not sure if it's on the higher end of your budget. Maybe she's something a little less expensive. I hate to say that, but I just need to be honest with you guys, right? Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you have one, if you're into advent boxes like this, if you want me to try another one. It's probably too late to buy one this year, but I can keep it in mind for next year. Also, you can follow me on social media. My handle is OurGrayHouse, but just don't follow me in real life though, because that's creepy. Bye. Say bye.